This is George Berg again. This time I want to go and talk about the part 2 of the first individual assignment for section 1. In contrast to part 1, where I asked you to go in and get started with Scratch, create your own program, play with it a little bit, that I talked about in the last two videos. In the second part, you want to go in and take a look and examine some Scratch programs that others have created, and then go in and remix, that is, modify a project that someone else has done. This is fairly simple, but I just wanted to walk through it. So what you do is you go to Scratch, and then in contrast to before when we went into Create to create our own program, I want you to go into Explore and look at what others have created. And what you see here is a variety of other Scratch programs that other folks have created and shared. And there are a number of different categories: animations that people have created, games that people have created. By all means, go in, take a look, poke around, explore, take a look at some of the things that people have created, and find something that's of interest to you. Okay, so what I did is I'm going to cheat here a little, because when I was looking in music the other day, and I found one that I liked, and I put that in a different tab. So if I found it and then I clicked on it, it would load, and then you could see here's a riff off of a Linkin Park song. The one I found was in this tab. I clicked on one from Imagine Dragons off of their song Radioactive. So it's loaded here, and this is the page for the people who created and share it. And their instructions: be amazed at the song, and then notes and credits. All right, that's nice. If you click on the green flag here, it will run it, and it'll play the song. Let this run for a couple minutes. Pretty straightforward. You got the dance party background, a couple of the sprites, and then two dancing cats. Okay. Now, you can hear the song all over the place anyway, so I'm not going to take the time to play it all over. All right, and click on the stop button. All right, up here, we can see inside to see what the program has. And actually, if you look at it, it's a very simple program. Now, for each of the sprites, you've got just a very simple program that when the green flag is clicked, it does their action forever, like the Dan sprite. When the green flag is clicked, the forever loop, which means keep going. There's no condition for it to stop. Go, 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 go. Wait a second, and then Dan changes to his next costume. So, if we were to do this, we see Dan in his various guises. And the others are similar. So what we're going to do here is we're going to remix the program. The remix is up here, and click on that, remixing, and then what I propose to do is take one of these cats. Let's just take the first one, and the idea is the cats, if you notice, were spinning around. Let's spin the cat around in the other direction and see what we get. So, all right, having done that, actually give it remix GB for my initials, and then let's click on the green flag, see what we get. All right, now the cats move in different directions. All right, not all that exciting, but you get the idea. And it's the other cat, that one whose direction I didn't change. Let's make it so he goes a little more in each hop. Let's see what that looks like. Some of this is exploratory. I wonder if by doing 30 degrees at a time it doesn't become a little herky-jerky, but let's see. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's just that the one cat's going faster and faster, so it's even more dizzying. But you get the idea. You can go in and take the thing and remix it and make it your own. So, all right, now where is this thing that I've created? It's now over in my space, my stuff. Did I not do that? Here, my stuff. My stuff. Okay, there's my stuff. The Imagine Dragons Radioactive Remix, GB. All right, let's go in and share that so you can all see my amazing work, and I want you to share it so that we can see it, and also I want you to share it because what we're going to do with the assignment is, as part of the group assignment, you're going to go in and explain to your team what you found, why you liked it, what you did for your remix, and then the team's going to do their own assignment based on that. So that's the basic idea. Hopefully you found it interesting and had some fun with it as well. Good luck.